Hi, I'm Johnny Moe, the musical chef, and this is the way I make breading for fish and chips. Fish and chips is super popular, great pub food, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it at home. So first, we're going to take about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, and 2 cups of Japanese breadcrumbs, also known as panko. A nice shallow bowl works great for this 3-step breading process. First, take the fish and gently place it in the flour, patting and making sure to cover on both sides. Next, gently dip it in the eggs. Now, move it to the panko. When it's evenly crusted, gently drop it into a 350-degree fryer. You're going to fry this fish for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on this during the cooking process and pull it out when it's a light golden brown. No fish and chips would be complete without the always classic crinkle-cut French fries. So now you know how easy fish and chips is, and you can impress your friends with this classic dish.